because I didn't know. So someone else probably might not have known either. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dabby. So today I'm gonna be telling you guys something that probably no one knows, and probably you do know, but my thing is that I didn't know. So if I didn't know, probably someone else wouldn't know either. So I thought I would do this because even when I was like trying to research it online, I didn't see that much like videos about it. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so keep on watching guys, so you guys can see a full in-depth tutorial on how you can get discounted magic bands before your Disney World trip. Okay, so first off, in order to partake, or in order for this video to even help you, you would have had to book a Disney resort. So if you are staying off property for your Disney vacation, this is not going to work for you. You have to have a Disney resort reservation on property. Okay, on property. Okay, I book my Disney, well, my hotel, whatever, last March, and I'm now finding this out last month. I can't remember, but I'm glad I know this before I even go on my trip. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So keep in mind, when you book a Disney hotel, you automatically have a pre-arrival discount for a magic band. Disney provides a discount, and the discount, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I do not remember. I think it was like $24 or $24.99. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do this. I'm gonna put like the screen recording of my phone on here so you guys can follow along, so you guys can see. So like I said, the first step is booking your trip, and not your trip, your hotel, a Disney hotel. Once you do that, you're going to go into the app. Then you're going to go to the little like three like lines on the bottom, like these three horizontal lines on the bottom. You're going to click that. When you click that, you're going to click future plans. Once you click future plans, it's going to take you to all like your reservation for the hotel, all your food reservations, all that stuff. You're going to click your hotel. Once you click your hotel, you're going to scroll down the bottom. And when you scroll down the bottom, you're going to see it says something where it says like magic band or get magic band, something like that. You're going to click that. Once you click it, it's going to redirect you to putting your email, putting your password. And once you do that, you're going to see a whole window where it says magic band order. And then it also is going to show you your party. So if you have 4 people connected to your My Disney Experience app, you're going to see them as well on there. So you're going to be able to purchase all of their magic bands. Now, one thing I don't like, you can't like buy only just for one person. They would it defaults to you having to buy for every person in your party. So if you have 4 people in your reservation for your rooms, on that window you're gonna see every person. So in my case, it's 3 people, including me. It's 3 people. So you can't like just choose one person, buy a magic band. Like it just defaults to you buying it for everyone in the under the reservation of the hotel. So then you go ahead and click. Once you click, you're going to be routed to another tab or window where you actually see like the magic bands, and then you are going to be able to pick a magic band for each person. So me, I got mine's in gray. So the other people at my party, I also chose their color magic bands. Another thing I forgot to mention is that the magic bands, if you order them very early, I think I'm gonna put it right here, but if you order it in the window of 6 to 10 days, I think your magic bands will be sent to the hotel that you'll be staying at. But if you order it like more days in advance, so my magic band is going to be shipped to my home. But if you are buying this magic bands in the window of like 6 to 10 days, your magic band will be shipped to the hotel. Okay, so once you've chosen your selection of magic bands, you will just go on and check out. So the magic band ended up costing this much. I think it was around like 80 something. And I just went ahead and purchased magic bands. And right now I'm not sure if my magic bands have shipped yet because I still haven't gotten them yet. So it's a wait. Okay, so it's a wait. So yeah, so that's basically it for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was interesting or enlightful or informative or helpful for you, because I didn't know. So someone else probably might not have known either. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.